What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here and we are first look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. So yes, Samsung has kept their promise and are going to release another Fan Edition phone, and it will be the Galaxy S21 FE. The design of it is pretty similar to the S21 series with that corner camera design, and I think it looks miles better than S20 FE, which had a not so great design. I think it looks stunning in real life. We have glass on the front and plastic on the back with an aluminum frame in between. Now the camera bump is part of the back instead of the frame, or like on the S21 series, so it kind of blends into the back more, and it will also be made of plastic. We will also have premium features like IP68 water and dust resistance, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, as well as stereo speakers, so that's quite remarkable. And as of the cameras, we will have a triple camera setup with an LED flash. So we have a 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel auto wide, and an 8 or 12 megapixel telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. As of the front display, I think it is a notable improvement over the last year. The bezels are way less than last year. It is a 6.4 inch 1080p AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and yes, it is flat. We have a small hole punch in the middle housing the selfie camera, and overall it is almost bezel-less, and it will also have an optical fingerprint scanner on the display. Talking about the specs, we will have up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage with hopefully a micro SD card slot, and it will be powered by Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100, both of which are based on 5nm process and are pretty snappy and fast. It will also have 5G. I don't know if there will be a 4G version or not, but we'll see about that. We can expect to have 4500 mAh of battery and 15 watt of fast charging. Hopefully a charger comes out of the box. Speaking of which, I think that it'll also have a lot of color options like the S20 FE, but we'll see about that. It is expected to cost around $700, which sounds like a great deal considering what it has to offer, and it is pretty similar to the regular S21. So yeah, it is quite cheap and I think it's a pretty sweet deal. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more of this stuff, and press those bell notifications on, and I will see you guys next time.